I know I normally talk about Medicare on this channel, but Social Security kind of goes along with Medicare, and in this video I'm going to talk about if you took Social Security and then you decide maybe you shouldn't have, what do you do? So stay tuned and I'm going to tell you. So Social Security does allow you to have a redo. So I had a redo button. Boom, redo. There's two different ways you can do a redo. Why would you want to do a redo? Why would you want to revoke Social Security once you took it? Well, things change, right? So maybe you got a job, or you came into a large inheritance and you decided, I don't really need my Social Security now. And you took Social Security early. Let's say you took it at 62. And you knew, somebody advised you, hey, if you wait, the longer you wait, the more you get. So you don't need it now because you have this other money coming in. You've already been taking it. You can revoke it. Now, if you need the form to revoke it, ask me in the comments and I can send it to you and help you through that. But it's a simple form that you can send in to say, hey, change my mind. Stop paying me Social Security. Now, you will have to pay all the money back. So all the benefits you got, you will pay back. There is no penalty. There's no interest, okay? So just pay it back. You can only do this redo. You can only revoke it one time, and you must do it in the first 12 months, okay? So if you're in the 13th month, you can't revoke it and you can't use the form. Now, let's say you're in the weird position that you started taking your benefits, and if you took your benefits, the dependent spouse that could only draw once you drew started taking their benefits. If you're married and you revoke your benefits, now your spouse's benefits are revoked too. But if you're divorced, once you file and you start taking your benefits, if you revoke, your spouse can continue to draw. I know this video is just a little boring, but if you're still watching at this point, chances are this impacts you or someone in your family, so I'm going to keep going. I said there's two ways that you can do a redo once you've started on your Social Security, and one is to revoke it. It happens to be in the first 12 months. Let's say that you're in the 13th month when you get the inheritance or the new job and you want to stop your Social Security. You can suspend your Social Security. Okay, so revoking and suspension, two different things. In the first 12 months, after the first 12 months. Again, you can do this once, and once you suspend your Social Security, it will automatically start up again when you turn 70. Okay? Now, if you suspend it, your benefit's going to be much higher because you earn much more in Social Security if you wait till the full age, which is going to be at age 70. So a lot of people are learning that they shouldn't have taken their Social Security. They're getting a hold of an advisor that says, hey, you shouldn't have done this, but I can help. And a lot of people are cautious. They're like, that doesn't sound right. But it's true. It's many times advantageous for you to suspend your benefit. You have to pay it back. And then it will start again when you turn 70. Now, let's say you're 66 and you got a hold of an advisor and they said, hey, let's stop this. Your Medicare is separate. A lot of people are under the assumption, the misconception that they're hooked together, and they're not. Your Social Security will automatically come out of, your Medicare will automatically come out of your Social Security, but once you suspend or revoke it, you can still have your Medicare. You will just have to pay Medicare directly for those premiums, your monthly Part B premium. It's no problem. You can pay it quarterly. We have a form for you to set you up to pay that. That's no problem either. So the biggest hurdle right here is that you got to pay the money back and you have to file the right form and you have to hit the right deadlines. But it's all doable and it's very advantageous for you. So if you or someone you know is in this boat and you want some help and guidance, those of us at the Medicare family would love to be your resource. Call us, email us, ask us in the comments, and we will guide you through it.